Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on fast charging on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if we want to charge your cell phone and don't have much time, don't need to be worried because the Samsung Galaxy A36 provides a fast charging feature which make it easier for us to charge our cell phone without having to wait a long time. And so yeah, to turn on this feature, it's very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then scroll down, and then now you can go to device care, and then now you can go to battery, and then after that now you can scroll down and go to charging settings, and then after that now you can activate fast charging. So yeah, it is your right, and here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.